Good day, everyone. Welcome to this asynchronous demonstrative lesson for ABP1. My name is Monica Conza, a sixth semester student from the PINE program at UNESUM. Uh, Tuesday, I will present our work for the practice and experimentation components styles, grammar, and data-driven learning. Let's begin. Our goals today are first, discover academic transition words. Second, classify the based on their functions. And third, apply connectors accurately in academic texts. Welcome to phase 1, illustration and noticing. Let's start our class example with this inductive observation task. Please observe the short academic text and focus on the bold word. However, therefore, furthermore. To fit the linguistic patterns, let's look at our questions. Question 1. What is the job of this word in the paragraph? Excellent. Their job is to connect different ideas. Question 2. What the punctuation mark following them consistently? Exactly. Every single bold word has a comma right after it. Great job. You are amazing language detectives. Moving on to phase 2. Discovery and analysis. Here we have our languages detective task. Based on our previous date workshop, we analyze these authentic lines to see how connectors work in the real academic context. Let's look at slide number 1. Statistically significant, however, the sample was small. Notice how, however, introduce a contract. Now, look at line number 2. Serious. Offense, therefore, universities implements. Here, therefore, show a clear logical results. Our student analyze these real text samples to discover patterns by themselves. themselves. Now, to organize our discoveries, we use the functional grid. We classify our connectors into their semantic categories. First, addition. Its purpose is adding supporting information using words like furthermore or more or. Second, Contract its purpose is introducing opposing viewpoints, using words like however on the other hand. And dirt, casuality. Its purpose is indicating a logical result, using words like therefore or thus. This grid helps our students choose the right connectors for their academic writing. Based on our analysis, we can now state the comma ruler. In informal academic writing, transition words are consistently followed by a comma when they appear at the start of the sentences. Let's look at the examples. The correct form is therefore, comma research is essential. The incorrect form is therefore research is essential without a comma. Remember, language detective always check your punctuation to improve accuracy. Finally, we research phase 3. Consolidation here. Our students will complete this abstract using our target connectors. However, therefore, or furthermore. Let's reveal the correct answers. As you can see, the first space requires a however for contracts. The second need furthermore to add information. And the last one use therefore for the logical results. Excellent jobs. To conclude the lesson, we have our assignment and feedback phase. Students are evaluated using a checklist to ensure mastery of transition markers. We check if the identity functions equality place connectors correctly. Follow the comma ruler and complete the tags on time. This guarantees effective learning progress. Thank you for you very much for your time and the attention. This has been my demonstrative lesson for ABP1. Have a wonderful day.